Hello again, everyone. Asmodeus here, and welcome to episode 32 of Age of Engineering. Today, I want to get another trophy. That's my plan. I want to get another trophy. So, in order to do that, we need the atomic calculator. Doesn't look too bad, reinforced stone, calculator screens, diamonds, really simple stuff. Emeralds, nothing, advanced assemblies, basic assemblies, nothing too bad. What, if we recall, was these atomic modules. Okay, lots of calculator assemblies. We need large tanzanites we can get from lapis. That's not a big deal. It's these iridium reinforced plates. We need 4 of these plates each, and each plate requires 4 iridium. I don't know if we have enough UU matter to do that. I think they're, what are they, 120 millibuckets each, 1900. I mean, it's going to be close. So let's just put this on repeat run, and let's see how many we get. In the meantime, let's get all the other components put together. Oh, major lag spike. Some of them are going to be simple. Some of them we actually have from drops. So we have a couple large tanzanite. We have a couple advanced. We have a bunch of calculator assemblies. Calculator screens. So it gives us a pretty good head start. So one screen. So we need one screen. We'll set that over there. We need 4 advanced. We have 2 already. So we're going to need some enriched gold and some reinforced iron. I don't recall. I haven't used this stuff in a while. I can't remember what I have and what I don't. So reinforced iron's pretty simple. We'll have to dig up our calculator, figure out where it is. Oh, pardon me. Wow. Not even that tired. Not seeing anything looks like reinforced iron. Do have a bunch of reinforced stone, so that's good. There's our calculator, so we can make the iron, not a big deal. Alright. So, we need 1 reinforced iron. Okay, so 2 right now. We need the gold. Okay. So that should give us the other 2 advanced assemblies. Okay, so we're good shape there. So these are done. Now we just need the atomic modules. We need an emerald. That's not a big deal. Okay, we need more calculator assemblies. So 16 of those total and 16 large. Okay, we have 2. Let's make some blocks of that. I need the stack, not the single. Okay, so that should give us 16 of those. believe it's that. Hope so. If not, well, it's a good thing we have a lot of lapis. Alright. Put you in there. The last two little lapis, get that out of my inventory. Okay, so we need 14 more calculator assemblies. And those, if I refresh my memory, 14 steel mechanical components, lots of buttons. Lots of buttons, lots of cobble. And then steel mechanical components. Grab a stack of steel. What was in the middle of those again? I don't remember. Copper, okay. Very good. That should give us those. What are we short? Okay, we're short buttons. More iron. Okay, let's just throw that stack in there. Okay. That'll be enough for now. Let's see. Let's see if I can math right. Probably not, but it'll be close. Okay, that gives us 16 of those. Okay, so we're good there. 16 of those. Put that away. I have them stashed somewhere. Are they in the crystals chest? I don't see it. Nope. Next stage. I'm going to spend a significant amount of time. I'll just put you in there for now. A significant amount of time setting up our AE system. That is my goal. Alright. How are we doing down here? We have 5. Kind of slow. That'll give us 1. We could make 1. Actually, no, I didn't. Thought I put a crafting table down there, but I didn't. I put one in that same area upstairs. Alright. Oh yeah, we need advanced alloys too. That's right. Okay. I have plenty of iron on me. still see if I math this out right in my head. We're going to need 4 diamonds. Finish with the redstone. Small stone. You're full up. I don't need any more. Goodbye. Should put a void upgrade on that, I guess. I think I'm backing up on copper too. I'll have to. I guess not since I've taken that out. But if I go to put it back in, it won't take it all. Yep. Full up on copper. That's fine. I think I have some upgrades. Yeah. Guess we can do this real fast. Need a couple more sticks. And then let's, since they're progressive and everything and I don't want to spend a lot of time, the bottom 2 one. There we go. And that'll just give us a little more storage, and so copper doesn't back up. Okay, plates. How are we doing back here? Iron stuff for days here. Steel. Okay, just waiting on the advanced alloys now. Get started with what we have. Gives us half of what we need. Oop, wrong machine. Oh, that gives us that much more. Cool. Let's go make a couple of these, get them out of the way anyway. Always pays off to make extra. Alright, there's our 1 iridium ore. And our 1 atomic module. Only 3 more to go. Yay! I don't think I need to carry these on me anymore. This thing is so slow. Now, you know what? I don't know if it'll take it or not. I didn't make a lot of these, but struggling for power. route you like so. Now we're talking. Instead of being on the towards the end of the powertrain, you're at the front of the powertrain. Rods are still in good shape. You're good. You're having no fuel issues. You're having no issues. Power, not a problem. Now we're looking over here. Power's in good. It's just cycling as the diesel generator shuts itself, turns itself on and off and on and off. Kind of cycles on and off. Eventually, we're going to have to increase power transfer, into the base, but we don't seem to have any problems at the moment, you know. One of the things I did between episodes, made myself a little toy here, item repairer. It's a little OP, you know, because it'll repair just about any item that has durability. So like my ender that I've put all the stuff into, my dark steel armor, I can repair it, everything else, for a cost though. Okay. 4 empowered diamantine crystal blocks plus 4 empowered diamantine. So resource wise and power wise, it was not cheap. Also empowered Inori, so that cost me a gas tier. If we look, we need to change to the overworld. Anyway, hooked up the glider and had to do a lot of flying to actually find snow. I think I ended up going like almost 4,000 blocks away from my base portal just to find snow. It was pretty funny. But I got it, and I made the item repairer because it's worth it for me. Okay, cool. We might actually have enough. It'll be close though. Alright, let's go make one more in the meantime. Okay, there's the iron plate. Atomic module. Getting close. So the idea of UU matter is pretty cool. I mean, I like, you know, push a button, get item. Especially with some of the crafting recipes. But to be honest with you, once Once we have some automation down, the crafting recipes really aren't that big a deal because it's being auto crafted. And for as slow as this thing is, and for as much of a power drain it is, I don't know how much iridium we're actually going to need. But there is a different method. If we go the molecular transformer method, it's expensive to make, and it's kind of a later game thing. But for a significant amount of power, with this, you just put in iron and you get iridium. It's that simple. It just takes a ton of power to do it. So, maybe once we get our MFSUs backed up with power and everything, this whole thing could potentially be made irrelevant. So, I don't know. I don't know how much iridium we'll use in the future. I'm sure later on there's got to be a better way to get it. Ooh, it's going to be close. They might be able to mine it on one of the outer planets once we start doing some space exploration. I don't know. Iridium ore. Is there an iridium ore? There's iridium dust. Titanium, iridium alloy. I don't know how much of that we're going to need. Yeah, so in JEI, so for 9 million EU each, you can get 1 iridium. So I don't know. I mean, we're going to leave the UU matter thing set up for a while anyway, but just something to consider later on, especially if we get some crazy, insane EU generation somehow. Okay, well, there's 3. We need 3 more iridium. And I don't know if we're going to have enough to do it. Oh, I don't know. It's pretty nip and tuck. It's going to be close. Probably within 12, 13 millibuckets maybe. $10 millibuckets maybe. I'll be so upset if we're just barely shy. That'll be so funny. Ooh, less than 10. As in none. It was... Oh, it started another one. Okay. That's why. But it was within 4 millibuckets, so that was awful close. Alright, let's start generating it again. Alright. You. Oops, not you. Let's see. Oh, you can't. You went up and over. That's right. To keep you from connecting. There we go. It was like that. so that way we don't get that weird loop right there. Okay, back down to 0 UU matter, but that's okay. We got what we needed for this project. Okay, we need an emerald. Should have grabbed that. Not prepared. So what are we missing? 4 reinforced stone and 3 diamonds. Okay, we are now age 8. We are in the atomic age. There we go. Very nice. Okay, so this little dealie here, we are going to want to set right there. This is 3-part crafting for calculator, and it opens a lot of things up for us. So let's try to get power hooked up to this thing. Oh, see, I had 2 iridium up here. Ah. Oh well. Okay. There's some wire. Man, I am out of connectors again. It's either make more connectors or start making just tons of conduit. And I don't know if I have the resources to make a conduit. Clay. Setting up the machines downstairs and all that, it pretty much wiped out my clay reserves. Thought I was doing good on clay, and then making all the connectors for the spawners and everything else pretty much wiped it out. Alright, 3 copper, 3 iron, 3 aluminum. You guys go there, copper in the middle, split those, iron in the middle, split those, and aluminum in the middle. Okay, U to U. Okay. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't even take power. I'm not seeing anything on it. I don't know. Let's take a peek. Let me put this down away. You and you. Alright, so one of the things I've been wanting to do is make a precision chamber to make our circuits more efficient. And for those you need fire diamonds. So let's go blaze rod. Oh no, I don't have any flawless. So diamond, diamond, blaze rod. And this is why I want to have an ME system set up, because I can tie all these remote, all of our remote storage areas all together. And I don't have to run back and forth. Okay, so diamond, diamond, blaze rod. I guess it doesn't take power. Cool. Alright, so I actually need 4 of those. Speaking of precision diamonds, we're going to need lots of diamonds as we go on. What is it going to take to make a diamond sapling? Oh, we need a flawless calculator. Pear sapling. Okay, tanzanite, amethyst, and endstone. You know, I actually think we have all that. We have the endstone. And I think we got the other 2 saplings. Yep, we did. So, let's get a pear sapling. That, and that. Okay, that's the next step, and then we can get a diamond tree. And basically that's just free, what does it kick out? It kicks out flawless diamonds, I think, and maybe weakened diamonds. It's either flawless or end diamonds. Okay, let's try flawless. But you don't necessarily need a sickle. You can, there's a device you can hook up to your diamond tree that'll harvest it for you. So yeah, you get weakened and flawless, which I believe is going to be a fairly regular crafting material. Alright, so we needed the flawless calculator. Which requires flawless diamonds, diamonds, end diamonds, flawless assembly. How do we get flawless diamonds? Atomic binder. Okay. Even more iridium. Alright. Okay. Well, we have a need for our UU matter to replenish itself for that. So let's just stick that in there. You can go in there. Calculator parts, we'll just stick in there. You can go in there for now. Alright. So, we made it. We are now age 8. Let's check our guide. Now it says make an atomic calculator and then a flawless calculator. Okay, we can get circuit production. That's the precision, the precision thing I was looking at. We can do circuit storage. That's all cool. Oh, and I figured out why these stop at 32. Okay, the way calculator is kind of set up, since they don't stack, each one is considered one stack, and these have a 32 stack limit, so that's why they're stopping at 32. So I need some kind of storage that would kind of merge these and not consider them individual stacks like that, but as a whole. So that's why it's doing that. But we have tons of circuits, which is good because we're going to need them once we start into applied energetics, because that's where these carpenters are going to get a workout. Because if we look, pretty much every component. So if you go through and you look at all your processors, logic circuit, takes that circuit board, where's some of the other ones? I'm only seeing. Anyway, yeah, we'll pretty much use 3 of those 4 regularly. You know, this one takes the blue one, logic takes that one. So yeah, they're going to get quite the workout once we get into the actual next age and we can start doing applied energetics. Alright, I think I'll cut the episode here. Excited to have this. Between episodes, once again, I'll see if I can just let things run and produce as much UU matter as we can. In doing so, you know, we'll be depleting fuel rods. I'll be getting more plutonium. Maybe I'll make some more turbines if I get the plutonium for it, and I can do the pellets. Okay. Well, if you liked today's episode, please hit the like button, and if you have not done so already, please subscribe. And until next time, have a wonderful day.